Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so I'll just cleanse the space kasi nasa ibang lugar na naman ako. So nasa Bataan ako ngayon. And habang may free time, I'll do a reading and I'll start with all fire signs. So kung kayo ay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, para sa inyo tong reading na ito. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay ang energy check-in. Ngayong kakapasok lang ng buwan ng June. Okay? So tingnan natin ano yung energy na masasagap ko from the fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. So bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck and 8 cards from the other deck. And then 2 cards from the Oracle deck as signs and advice from the universe. Okay. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng fire signs na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Sana patuloy nyo pong suportahan by subscribing, okay, by hitting the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga ipopost kong videos, and syempre by liking and commenting below. It really helps the channel grow. So the more the channel grows, the more readings ang magagawa ko para sa inyo. Okay? And gusto ko lang i-remind ang lahat that this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga, huwag pilitin. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading, or panoorin niyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon ay mag-resonate din sa inyo, dahil ang Oracle and Tarot readings ay timeless naman talaga. Better yet, book a personal private reading sa akin. Nasa description box ang aking email address. Okay. Oops. Let's begin. Okay. So, tingnan natin ano yung masasagap kong energy from the fire signs. Ngayong kakapasok lang ang month of June. Okay, hello sa lahat ng Gemini dyan na nagsa-celebrate ng kanilang birthday. So, I'll get the 6th card dahil June na ngayon. First card. Ooh, 2 of Cups. That's nice. Good start. And, oh, okay, 10 of Swords. Okay, so I guess there was a failure sa relasyon mo with someone na you fell deeply in love with. Okay? With the 2 of Cups here showing up. Oops, sorry. Malugang camera. And the 10 of Swords here. So I can see here na medyo recently kakahiwalay nyo lang, or meron kayong or currently in no contact situation kayo because of something na nag-cause ng separation. Okay, something chaotic in a way. Possible na may argument, may issues, and naapektuhan yung relationship, and you both decided to separate ways muna at the moment. Okay, pero itong tao na to, mahal na mahal mo. And currently you're really in pain. May mga regrets din akong na-feel dito, na regrets dahil hindi dahil minahal yung tao, pero dahil may mga bagay na hindi nagawa during the relationship na sana kung nangyari yon or nagawa yon, sana tuloy pa rin yung relationship. Pero tingnan natin ano pa yung mga susunod na cards. Okay. Nine of Wands. Okay. Pero you're working on yourself and you've already decided to move forward and you're doing better. Nakikita ko dito na with this card showing up, the Nine of Wands and the Six of Swords, na you're letting go of this past or recent heartache from the past relationship, from the recently concluded relationship. So, and nakikita ko dito na you're doing well naman. You're working on yourself, you're working on your healing. Medyo hindi ganun kadali yung journey, pero sinusubukan mo naman. And I can see here that the future is brighter when it comes to your love life because one better is about to come. See? The Fool. Ang galing. O, di ba? Kakasabi ko lang. Okay, my cards don't lie. So, there's a new beginning for you when it comes to love. Ay, see, Nine of Wands ulit. Tingnan mo. Okay, Nine of Wands. And then, the Fool card with the Nine of Wands as well. Okay. So, sinasabi lang talaga dito na there's a new beginning for you when it comes to love. And all you have to do is really to continue with your healing journey. Okay? Para mas ready ka when the right person or this new love comes sa buhay mo. Pag dumating na siya, hindi yung parang nagdadalawang isip ka pa, hindi yung parang chine-check mo ano yung kailangan mong gawin, ready ka na ba? Dapat ready ka na. Ready ka na kapag dumating siya. Kasi pag hindi ka ready, magkakaroon lang din siya ng issues along the way dahil nga unhealed ka pa from the past relationship. So ituloy mo lang yan, yung healing journey mo because someone better or someone who's more deserving of your love is about to come to your life. Into your life, diba? So, ang galing mo. See? Diba? Kasi kung hindi, ito tingnan mo, lumabas yung Five of Cups. Which is sadness, grief, and regret ulit. Baka kasi i-regret mo na hindi ka ready, tapos dumating yung person, diba? Diba? See, with the Knight of Cups here, there's progress when it comes to the emotions. Pag dumating tong person na to, dapat hindi mo na siya kailangang palampasin pa. Alam mo yun, yung kasi kapag hindi ka ready, dahil darating lang siya at a certain period na kapag na-miss mo yun, wala na. Hindi mo na siya parang pwedeng habulin or magkaroon ka na naman ng parang ay sige may another chance pa naman or another opportunity. Hindi, wala. Kapag namating na to, dapat ready kang i-accept ng love na to. Else, kapag dumaan na siya sa buhay mo at na-miss mo yung opportunity na yun, mahirap na siyang ibalik or subukan ulit. And that may leave you another parang pain, regret, and sadness na at magkakaroon ka ng maraming what ifs. So again, continue your healing journey. Someone's new is coming, but you have to be ready, else it will be painful on your part ulit. Diba? Kasi may panghihinayang. Kasi siya na pala, tapos pinalampas mo pa, diba? See? Ayan. With the High Priestess showing up, and the King of Cups, see? Si High Priestess kasi is using your intuition and that intuition is what will help you move forward. Kasi tama yung, kuwari, itong dumating person na to, mafe-feel mo siya eh. Mafe-feel mo na, ay, ito na yun. Or, ay, hindi pa to yung tao na yun. Tapos, pag na-feel mo na ito na yun, dapat hindi ka na parang magdalawang isip pa to grab nga that opportunity. Dapat, kasi King of Cups is energy of someone who's emotionally stable, emotionally secure, someone who will provide your needs, diba? So, kapag dumating tong person na to, and alam mo naman na yun din yung minamanifest mo at yun yung hinahanap mo or hinihintay mong dumating sa life mo after that failed relationship. Tapos, kapag dumating siya, at na-feel mo na siya na yun, diba? Again, you have to be ready to grab that opportunity. Some more, with the High Priestess showing up here, meron kasi dito na parang nafe-feel ko magkakaroon ka ng hesitation eh. Hesitation to embrace or grab that opportunity dahil para sa'yo parang, baka masaktan lang ulit ako. Diba? And hindi ko sinasabing, okay lang masaktan. Pero, diba, kaysa mamiss mo yung opportunity at marami kang what if, diba? Grab mo na. And may mga lesson learned ka naman na from the past relationship na kailangan, yun nga, di ba sabi ko kanina, hindi siya dahil hindi, naghiwalay kayo dahil hindi nyo na mahal ang isa't isa, pero may mga bagay kayong hindi nagawa sa relasyon that led to the breakup. So, dito, alam mo na yung mga need gawin, alam mo na yung mga lesson learned. So, you have to apply it. Kung ano yung mga natutunan mo, i-apply mo na siya dun sa bagong relasyon para hindi na siya maulit, di ba? See. So, 2 of coins. And Page of Wands. So, meron kang need na balansehin. Pag dumating tong person na to, marami kang mga kailangang i-balance, meaning dapat stable lahat. Again, it's about preparedness and being ready when this right person comes. Diba? You have to balance your emotions, even the aspect of finances. Dapat hindi ka rin parang nag-worry sa finances mo kasi it still has an effect. Syempre, kung affecting finance mo, ang tendency mo is to work harder or to focus on your career and manineglect na naman yung relasyon. I don't know if that's one reason bakit nagkaroon ng failed relationship dun sa past. Pero you have to balance it. You have to know what you really desire. Kasi medyo fresh pa to. Especially Page of Wands is, alam mo yun, medyo fresh pa. Hindi pa siya yung desire na, ito na to. Parang yun nga, dahil may mga doubts ka pa nga, yung desire mo hindi pa rin siya talagang, hindi mo pa rin sigurado. Kahit alam mo yung gusto mo, hindi mo pa sigurado na yun na nga din yung, parang part of you is still holding you back dun sa mga gustong mangyari sa life mo. So, alisin mo na yun. Kailangan mas, yes, may fear minsan, pero hindi siya dapat, hindi dapat, kung sa timbangan sa weighing scale, hindi dapat mas mabigat yung fear dun sa desire or want mo to commit to this relationship kapag dumating na siya. Okay? See? The Star card, make a wish. Because pag dumating tong person na to, malalaman mo talaga kasi this is what you're praying for, you're hoping for. Diba? With the Four of Pentacles, this is something that you want to possess. Four of Pentacles is something, in some readings, lalo na kung separate siya, it's something na parang being possessive, but nakakabit siya kay star card, it means that this is what you want to possess because this is what you hoped for or you prayed for. Tapos dumating siya, tapos biglang hindi ka ready, di ba? So, you have to really be confident na kapag dumating tong person na to, go, grab, and ready ka na din to engage in the relationship. Hindi ko sinasabi na, ay, dumating siya, talon ka agad, di ba? You still have to gauge ano nga ba ito, what's in for you, di ba? Hindi ko naman sinabi magpadalos-dalos ka. Pero ang sinasabi ko lang, huwag mo lang i-miss din yung opportunity kapag dumating na. And last card, see? There's a death card here. And 4 of Wands, yes. Okay, death card here is a card of transformation. You really have to leave the past behind. The past hurts, the healing journey. Once na natapos kasi yung healing journey mo, you shift to another level as a new version of yourself. Someone better, someone wiser when it comes to relationship. Plus the 4 of Wands here is a card of positivity, good luck, new milestone, and very lucky nga daw ang 4 of Wands kasi kung tinignan mo para siyang 11-11. So your life will shift. The faster you heal, na tamang healing hindi namin nadali the faster you also move to the next level or the next version of yourself. Okay? So I'll end the reading with 2 oracle cards, which will be the advice or sign from the universe. And again, itong reading na to is with discernment. Lalo na general and collective reading lang to. Okay? Kung nag-resonate sa inyo, claim the energy and that someone better is about to arrive in front of your doorstep, diba? So, let's see. First card, abundance. See? Second card, bravery. Yeah. See, for you to have abundance, you have to let go of that fear. Yung fear mo na sinabi ko kanina na takot kang masaktan ulit, takot kang itry, puro takot, di ba? You have to be brave, you have to be courageous for you to be able to have that relationship that you're manifesting. Kapag nag-manifest siya, napunta siya sa life mo, dumating siya, nag-materialize siya, and in-apply mo yung mga lesson learned mo, di ba? And yun nga, sabi ko, pag ready ka na, everything will fall into place and you'll have an abundant love coming into your life. Okay? So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangin nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Kita-kits! Ingat!